guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys another killer combo. So let's get started. I'm kind of ready because I'm dripping. I'm like dripping, and I was like, I ain't gonna wear no towel today. We just gonna drip. So I already shampooed my hair, and I also got something else new, the Garnier Fructis. I'm trying this 1 minute hair mask, this avocado extract hair mask from Garnier. It's curly girl friendly, no silicones, no parabens, and no artificial colorants. So that is really nice. So I have that already on my hair. I only put shampoo on my hair. I shampooed my hair, rinsed that out, then added this, detangled a little bit, and then got out of the shower. Literally, that's all I've done. So that's my deep conditioner. It's been on for a minute, and now it's still on because I'm gonna leave it in because it's a leave-in. So that's my leave-in for today. And we're also going in with this combo, which is the Kinky curling custard, along with the Wetline Extreme, the blue one, this gel. So we're gonna be pairing these two together. You guys know I like a little custard with the gel. That's been my thing. I just feel like it gets so moisturized and shiny, and it just looks really good. So I'm gonna start off in the back like I always do. It's dripping. Make sure I get this out the way. Y'all, that hair mask feels so good on my hair. Like, for real. So from here, I'm just going to add a little bit of the Kinky Curly. Go ahead and detangle. Add some Wetline. Alright. So, y'all know how this goes. I'm just going to continue to add it. Looks like nothing's happening as far as any, like, whiteness or anything weird. Looks juicy. Looks good. So, just going to keep on going. Let you guys listen to some music.
The ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit, wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no to get you away. Keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
Alright guys, so I am completely done with my hair. I'm about to sit under the dryer and maybe diffuse a little bit with my Dyson, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final looks, but it looks like it's going to be okay. It doesn't look like anything like, I don't think it's like extravagant. Not anything yet, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'll see you guys when I'm dry. Alright guys, so these are the final results of this wash and go with the Kinky Curly Not Today, along with the Extreme Wetline Gel. And I would have to say I like it. Remember I did also use the Garnier Fructis smoothing treatment, this 1 minute hair mask, and it's the avocado one. Remember I did use that as my conditioner, deep conditioner, and leave-in, so I basically just kept this in, and I used those 2 stylers, and it looks good. So if you guys have this combo, I mean, it is very, very soft and fluffy. It's still a little wet in the inside, so I would say that using a cream, every time I use a cream, y'all, with my wash and goes, I do feel like it just takes a little bit longer to dry, like something thicker like this. Like if I was to use the As I Am leave-ins, or if I were to use like my Camille Rose coconut water leave-in, those are very lightweight and it doesn't take my hair long to dry. But when I use like a cream, y'all, it gets really, really soft. Like all up in here, it just takes forever to dry. And my hair is about 98% dry right now, like 98, because right here in this root area it's still wet. I don't know why, but I have now like stretched it out and all that kind of stuff. So this is how it's looking. I really like it. I think it's cute. I don't see any type of flaking, so it just laid looking shiny. So yeah guys, if you guys have the Kinky Curly Not Today, if you guys have the Kinky Curly Curling Custard along with the Wetline Gel, they do go well together, okay? It's a lot of slip, just like the Mael one. It's a lot of slip. It basically gives you kind of the same feel. So if you have this custard instead of the Mael, I would say use it. It definitely gives you that nice, thin, slippery feeling. So I like it, y'all. What y'all think? I like it. It's Kimberly approved. Kimberly approved. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.